Imagine waking up to a world-shaking event, every volcano on Earth erupting at the exact same moment. More than 1,500 active volcanoes and thousands of dormant ones suddenly exploding into the sky. It sounds impossible, but exploring this idea reveals how powerful volcanoes are and how deeply they influence life on our planet. Before we dive into this extreme scenario, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending science stories. Volcanoes are Earth's release valves. Beneath the surface, molten rock, intense heat, and gases move constantly. When pressure builds, an eruption happens. Normally, only a few volcanoes erupt each year. If all of them erupted at once, the first impact would be instant destruction near every volcano. Cities like Naples, Tokyo, Mexico City, Seattle, Manila, and Jakarta, located close to major volcanoes, would face immediate danger. Lava, ash, and pyroclastic flows would overwhelm roads, buildings, and anything in their path. But the real disaster begins in the atmosphere. Each eruption shoots ash and sulfur dioxide high into the sky. One large eruption can cool the Earth by blocking sunlight. The 1991 Pinatubo eruption lowered global temperatures by around 0.5 degrees. Now imagine thousands of eruptions happening at the same time. The sky worldwide would darken. Sunlight would fade to a dim, smoky glow. Days would look like evenings. This would trigger a global volcanic winter, a period of extreme cooling and reduced sunlight. During a volcanic winter, crops fail. Plants can't get enough light. Food production stops. Forests weaken. Oceans lose their balance because marine plants also depend on sunlight. Entire food chains begin collapsing. Within weeks or months, billions of people would face severe shortages of food and clean water. The oceans would face another crisis. Most of Earth's volcanoes are underwater, hidden along mid-ocean ridges. If all of them erupted together, seawater would superheat. Huge amounts of steam would explode upward. Marine life around volcanic regions would die instantly. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane would bubble to the surface, affecting the atmosphere further. After the initial cooling, these gases could contribute to long-term warming, creating a rapid climate shift. Another major impact would be toxic gases. Volcanoes release fluorine, chlorine, and carbon monoxide. These gases can poison drinking water, harm animals, and irritate human lungs. Historical eruptions have shown that gas emissions alone can kill thousands. Multiply this across every volcano on Earth, and air quality everywhere would drop to dangerous levels. Ash would become one of the biggest global problems. Fine volcanic ash can travel thousands of kilometers. It clogs engines, blocks roads, destroys crops, and collapses roofs. Airplanes would be grounded worldwide. Satellites could malfunction due to atmospheric debris. Millions of tons of ash settling on highways, farms, lakes, and power stations would cripple transportation and electricity networks. People would need masks just to breathe outside. Economies would halt. Shipping routes, flights, power grids, and communications would fail. Nations would struggle to provide food and shelter. Global cooperation would become essential for survival. Many regions would become temporarily uninhabitable due to ash, darkness, and cold. Yet, despite this extreme scenario, volcanoes also play a positive role in shaping Earth. Volcanic ash enriches soil, making it fertile. New landmasses like the Hawaiian Islands form from volcanic eruptions. Some scientists believe the earliest life on Earth began near volcanic vents deep in the ocean. Volcanoes may destroy, but they also create. Fortunately, the idea of all volcanoes erupting at once is almost impossible. Each volcano has its own magma chamber, pressure system, and geological cycle. They are not connected like a chain of dominoes. Even during major global volcanic periods in Earth's history, eruptions happened over thousands or millions of years, not all at once. Still, imagining this scenario helps us appreciate the power of nature. It reminds us why volcanic monitoring, early warning systems, and scientific research are crucial. Earth is alive and constantly changing. Volcanoes are a part of that balance, dangerous, beautiful, and essential for life. If you enjoy powerful what-if scenarios and planet-changing science topics, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating Earth stories.